Hi everybody. I'm coming to you on an absolutely miserable rainy day, but maybe the rain will melt some of the snow that's left. Considering the fact that it was so freezing cold here a week ago, thank goodness the temperatures are way up. So actually I think it was somewhere around high 40s or maybe 50 degrees today, and I'm thrilled. So if it stays like this, I'll be happy. It can rain, it can pour. Just let it stay like this. Okay, I'm coming to you today to do the unboxing that I had promised you of that last thing that I had gotten from the Sephora VIB sale, and that is the Sephora Favorites, the Superstars. Everyday must-haves, and this was a kit that included quite a number of things that I'm familiar with, a few that I haven't used, but all things that I thought were good to have. So let me open it now. I will do a demo using these products, but today is just the unboxing of it. So here we go. Okay, I'm going to go over it item by item. The first item is the Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer, and it's oil-free. That's here. Up above it, I think this might have been, no, that's not the hoola. I'm not sure what that is. I'm going to have to take that out afterwards. I'll have to pop it from behind. It has the Beauty Blender. It's got the Tarte Lights, Camera, Lashes, and this used to be my go-to before I found the new ones that I'm so in love with now. The next item is a matte melted lipstick by Too Faced. After that we have this looks like the Touche Éclat, but let me see for sure. Yes, this is indeed the Yves Saint Laurent Touche Éclat, and I will demo that. I'm not sure what shade they gave it to me in, but we'll take a look at that together when I do demo it. I also got the Urban Decay. This is all-nighter, and I was really very anxious to try this. Urban Decay by Scandinavia, and this is just a finishing. They make this really small for old eyes. After applying makeup, shake the bottle and hold it 8 to 10 inches away from your face, and you just spritz it 2 to 4 times. So I'm going to do that. My makeup stays on pretty well, to be honest with you, but I will do it anyway. The next item is, this is Brow Wiz. This is Anastasia Brown Wiz. And I was looking forward to getting this because I have the very fine pencil point for this. And I like it, but I really wanted the one that was the normal size. And this is double-ended. So let's see. I've got the spoolie on one end, and I have the brow color on the other end. Oh, this is very fine point also. So it may in fact be what I have or similar to what I have. So that is that. The next item is, they pack it well. The next item is Marc Jacobs. What is this? It's a pencil. Yeah, it's like a kohl pencil. It is a mechanical pencil. It's small, but so far I've been really pleased with all my Marc Jacobs products. So I'll give this one a go the next time. It also came with a NARS lip crayon, and that is this. It's kind of a plummy color. It looks really pretty. I don't want to put it on today because I have a nude look today. I tried that look again that Kat had done on the Kat and Ness channel, and I tried to do it a little bit better this time than the last time to make the eyes look a little bit more open than they did last time. I'm not 100% there yet, but I'm doing better. So I'm really happy with it. And yes, I did not put the color on the edges, and I think that was part of the issue yesterday. And I also did use the lighter color under the black line, so hopefully I got that part of it right. But practice makes perfect. So this looks like a nice crayon. As I say, very soon I will do a demo using all of these products. There is Makeup Forever. There is... I can't get this thing out. This is hilarious. Okay. Here we go. Okay, this is Makeup Forever Professional Ultra HD. It's a powder, so it's a translucent powder. Now, I love my Miraness powder, but I'm certainly good with trying another one and see how I like that. I do like Makeup Forever typically, so we'll see how that product is. Then it came with the hoola, and the hoola, I've been using the hoola for a long time. This is just a small sample size, but I know that works for me, and I've been using it for a long time to do my contouring. The next product in here, the next item in the thing is the Bobbi Brown, it's Long Wear Cream Shadow Stick. It's an ombre cream stick, and this is what it looks really pretty. It sort of has a little bit of a gold tone to it. It has a very nice shimmer to it. I think I'm going to really enjoy that a lot. I haven't used the Bobbi Brown eye makeups before, though I certainly have used other products and liked them very much. All right, the final product that I couldn't figure out what it was before. Let me get this out. Ta-da. All right, this is translucent powder. This is Lock-It setting powder, and it's very, very light. I'm anxious to try that one as well. So far, I've been extremely happy with what I've been using because it does not crack. The big issue that I was having when I tried to use powder in the beginning was that it would crack. Let me come in close. So take a look at this. It really doesn't crack under my eyes. And you know how bad my bags were. They were really not good at all. So I'm extremely happy with the progress, even though Lord knows for a normal person it's not great. But for me, I think I'm doing really well with it. So I'm happy, and I do have a couple of things coming up. One of my viewers had mentioned something about the castor oil packs this morning from my healing oils video, and it made me realize what I need to do is I need to do a video where I'm going to demonstrate how I set up a castor oil pack. It doesn't mean it's the only way. It means it's the way I've been doing it, and I've been doing it this way for somewhere between 30 and 40 years. So it works for me. So that will be coming up soon. I will give you the smoky eye one very soon. And I do have a few other things that I want to be showing you, but that's going to be it for today. So take care. If you have any questions, tell me. I also had a thought, and tell me what you think about this. And I actually owe this thought to Carol, because a while back she had done this absolutely incredible video about, it was about haircuts that you were given at home as children. And she had everybody send in photos, and she put photos of them up, and it was the most adorable video. I loved it. So I'd like to do something similar in the sense of, if there is a photo, and I'm thinking that this is what I want to do to begin with, if there were any way that we could have either a picture of ourselves alongside a picture of our mothers, or a picture of ourselves, and I will put them together so it would be you and your mother, so that we can have a little bit of a framework of who we are and from whence we come. So let me know what you think of that, but I think it might be a fun thing to do. And thank you, Carol, for the inspiration. And I will talk to you all really soon. Have a wonderful day. Take care. I love you. Bye-bye.